Hello guys, welcome to Prime Tech Automotive YouTube channel. This Mitsubishi Outlander here, I am going to perform a rear brake overhaul, replacing pads and disc machining. So since this car has electronic parking brakes, so you definitely need to get into service mode. The easy way is by using the scan tool. So in this video I'm going to show how to get into service mode on the EPB, which is electronic parking brakes. If you don't do this, you are going to damage the calipers. So what you need to do, you need to get into service mode and then push the pistons back and then install the new brake pads and rotors. And after that, you don't need the scan tool to get out from the service mode, just like other cars. Stay tuned. I'll show step by step how to carry out this task. I need to go into the actual car and select Mitsubishi. Go through automatically win search. That's this, and on this you don't need to go into actual thing. There is special function, brake reset, electrical parking brake. So full release control, brake pad replacement. Yes. You will hear the sound. Yeah, once the actual the motor rewind finished, you will see the message on dash on the actual displays finished, and also the noise stopped.
So once finishing the actual service mode, from here on I'm going to remove and replace the brake pads and rotors and check the caliper pins, make sure they are not seized. Stay on touch with the video. You will see the steps what I'm doing on this car. So I did the brake pads and this replacement on both sides. I was going to machine the rotors, but the rotors were reached minimum thickness, so I couldn't carry out the machining. So here, this is how you push the pistons after doing the rewinding. I use the plier and press against the Allen key on the motor. Do not overforce it, just press and hold it, then it will go gradually backward. Do it to both sides. And one more thing guys, remove the actuator connector, the electrical connector, and one of the safety precautions. Here you go. So stay tuned, just watch until the end of the video. I have the final task, how to get into the normal mode after exiting from the service mode and get back to normal mode at the end of the video. All right, stay tuned. So once you completed the new pads and rotors installation, what you need to do, as I'm going to show next, press the brake pedal 5-6 times until you get see hard, and hold the brake pedal pressed, and pull the start button, the EPB activate button, and then you will see the pistons, the actual gear wheels and the motor go back, and test the switch. That's all pretty much, guys. Thanks for watching. Check in my channel for other videos. Thanks again.